Kelly, how do you see the rise of EVs shaping the future of the collision repair industry?
I mean, there's definitely going to be more, no doubt. Is it going to be all EVs and ICE vehicles going to become extinct? I don't think so. And I don't think that'll happen in my lifetime. The challenge is, I think, when you look forward, is because our vehicles are becoming more complex, and there's a lot of shops out there that have lots of certifications, right? And at what point does a shop go, you know what, I can't really, does it make sense financially for me to be in 10 certifications because I'm having to buy all these tools and I'm having to commit to all this training? Maybe I should cut back and do less certifications, but specialize a little bit more.